2025, Year of the Snake Horoscope Predictions. Health, love life, career, family, money. Paula, predictions are for fun lang, hindi para gawing excuse sa buhay. Hindi lahat ng pera ay easy money. Mag-ipon, mag-invest, at iwas sa scam. Year of the Horse. Personality. Energetic, independent, enthusiastic, dynamic. Health, strong ka, pero huwag abusuhin ang katawan. Huwag puro lakad, pahinga rin. Love life. May spark kang makikilala, pero huwag masyadong pa-fast forward sa mga bagay. Let love flow naturally. Career growth ahead, pero huwag masyadong gastos mode sa bonuses. Mag-ipon naman. Family reunions will be fun, pero ingat sa chismis. Ikaw ang bagong topic nila kung sakali. Money. Extra income is coming your way, pero mag-ingat sa mga bili dito, bili doon. Subukan mong mag-ipon para sa mga bigger goals. Embrace the fortune and blessings of the Lunar New Year. Let's welcome a season filled with harmony and abundance. Happy New Year, everyone! Follow us for more financial savings tips and insights.